The AI models of 2024 operated under a strict limitation. They remained dormant until a human decided to flip the switch. You provided a list of bullet points to receive a completed email, or asked for a specific script to get a block of working code. The exchange was strictly transactional. Even as these systems became sophisticated at processing logic, they lacked the capacity to form intent. They were passive instruments, incapable of taking a single step without a direct prompt. This initial era of mass exposure firmly set our expectations. We learned to treat artificial intelligence as a highly capable tool, one that sat on a digital workbench, waiting to be picked up. By mid-2025, the marketing shifted toward the personal assistant. The promise was that you could finally delegate mundane chores, like asking your phone to order you a burrito on DoorDash. These agents were sold on their ability to navigate your world, opening budget spreadsheets, summing monthly expenses, and executing web orders autonomously. In practice, these assistants were hobbled by the need for constant safety checks. They frequently paused their workflow to ask the user for purchase confirmations or to verify a specific step. This friction made the technology feel like an underwhelming novelty. Managing the assistant often required more effort than doing the task yourself, and widespread consumer usage never materialized. Yet, while consumer adoption stalled, corporate investment in agentic systems was accelerating into the billions. The public's focus on failed personal assistants masked a significant technological leap. While we were looking for an app to order food, a different kind of agent was quietly entering the professional workforce. The real shift happened in specialized environments like software engineering and deep research, where the goal wasn't convenience, but independent execution. This marks the transition to an independent actor. You provide an objective, and the agent determines the steps. Inside channels like Slack, you assign a project like a staff member. Once sent, the human is no longer in the loop. A research agent can take a complex question and spend 30 minutes scouring the internet and synthesizing data before returning with a verified answer. Coding agents now perform substantial unilateral changes to software. They read tickets, they write the code, and submit work for review without requiring continuous supervision. A single instruction can now offload tasks that previously consumed hours or even days of a developer's time. This model moves the user out of the operator seat. We have moved from using software to managing a digital entity. These stumbling agents are not the error-free systems depicted in science fiction. They are highly capable, but they are also deeply flawed. Accessing this level of reasoning carries a high price. The most effective agents cost hundreds of dollars per month for a single seat. They are also notoriously unreliable. Viral stories frequently document these systems bungling complex tasks in illogical or hilarious ways. This creates a strange economic paradox. Major corporations are aggressively integrating expensive, imperfect technology into their most critical internal workflows. Companies are looking past the errors and making a different kind of economic calculation. They have stopped categorizing these agents as software that must be bug-free. Instead, they treat the agent like a hyper-efficient, if somewhat clumsy, junior employee. The massive time savings provided by unilateral work vastly outweighs the time spent fixing an agent's occasional mistake. Even with the cost of a subscription and the friction of human review, the efficiency gain is undeniable. Organizations are now permanently altering their management structures to accommodate these digital colleagues, building entire pipelines designed specifically to review and correct autonomous work. The corporate world has stopped waiting for the technology to reach perfection. They have accepted autonomous error as a standard, predictable business cost. Mid-2025 marks the point where AI moved past its status as a tool to be wielded and became a workforce to be managed.